Big life changes don't require big actions. Sometimes small shifts make the biggest difference. In this video, I'm sharing 6 tiny but powerful shifts you can make that will completely change your mindset, habits, and happiness. Transformation doesn't always come from massive changes. Often it's the small daily shifts that make the biggest impact. These 6 tiny changes will help you create a ripple effect in your confidence, mindset, and success. Shift number 1, start your day with a positive statement. The first words you say to yourself each morning set the tone for your day. Say one positive statement about yourself instead of waking up and stressing out about your to-do list. Do this daily exercise each morning. Say one positive statement to yourself out loud. Shift number 2, reframe challenges as opportunities. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, shift your perspective. Challenges aren't stopping you, they're shaping you. Next time you face a setback, ask, what is this teaching me? Try this exercise. Write down one challenge you're facing and reframe it. Rewrite it as an opportunity. It could be current or in the past. Shift number 3, practice mindful pauses. We rush through life without pausing. Today, take one mindful pause, even if it's just 30 seconds to breathe, reset, and check in with yourself. Shift number 4, celebrate small wins daily. We often wait for big milestones to feel accomplished, but confidence grows through small wins. Acknowledge one thing you did well today, no matter how small. Here's an action you can take. Write down one win each day, even if it's tiny. Shift number 5, improve your inner dialogue. Your inner voice affects everything. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm figuring this out. Shift your self-talk and watch how your confidence grows. You can start today by replacing one negative thought with a positive one. Shift number 6, spend 5 minutes visualizing success. Your mind is powerful. Take just 5 minutes a day to visualize your success. Feel the emotions of achieving your goals and step into that feeling. This is a mental vacation. Visualize yourself achieving a goal, smiling and laughing and enjoying life. Do this every day or as often as you want to. Small shifts lead to big changes. If you commit to these 6 tiny habits for just 1 month, you'll start seeing real positive changes in your mindset, energy, and confidence. Comment shift below if you're ready to start. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe. I want you to have a life you desire, and thank you for letting me share this information with you.